Welcome to Login Aid. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to fix Safari not working on iPhone. There are various steps, so we will go one by one. Firstly, you need to go on your settings. Now scroll down and find the Safari application. Now tap on it. Now you will be led to this kind of interface. Scroll down a bit. There you can see the option Clear History and Website Data. You need to tap over there. After that, this kind of box will pop up. All you need to do is tap on Clear History. Even after this, if your Safari isn't working, another option is to go to your General. Now here you can see the option Software Update at the second. Tap over there. If your iOS isn't up to date, then there may be some problem on your Safari. You can see that my iOS is up to date, but if you haven't updated, then make sure to update it. After that, the next step you can do is go to your iPhone storage. Now here search for the Safari application. Now at this page, you can see the option Website Data. You need to tap over there. Here you can see all the sites that you have used. All you need to do is tap on Remove All Website Data. This will clear data that could be used for tracking, but it is also used by website to preserve login information and to speed up browsing. Now all you need to do is tap on Remove Now. And this may now fix your Safari not working problem. These are some of the steps on how to fix Safari not working on iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Login Aid. Thank you.